Hi guys, a huge welcome to my latest Udemy course. I'm very excited to bring this to you with a good friend of mine and very successful Udemy instructor, Scott Britton. If you haven't heard of him before, you are going to be in for a treat this presentation. It's been a while since I've produced a Udemy course. I'm very excited to be back into the game. I have a few more courses up my sleeve, so keep an eye out for them. I'm really excited to help you guys too get to the next level with your Udemy courses and your Udemy revenue. Really want to help you guys make a lot of money on Udemy, which is very easy to do if you follow the steps that I've outlined with Scott in this presentation. So a couple of quick things before we dive straight into the content. I wanted to point out ahead of time that this course is very direct and to the point. We've taken our time to investigate all the advice, the good, the bad, the great, the terrible that is out there about Udemy, and bring you the best of what we have found in our personal experiences, making over $200,000 on Udemy, and also what other people suggest. So it's very direct and to the point. This is all the 80-20 of what you need to do. So there's no messing around or lots of fluff. It's very much actionable steps that you can take as you go through this course. So as I just mentioned, Scott and I combined have made over $200,000 on Udemy since we started. And this is of July 2015 as I'm recording this right now. I'm going to keep updating in the introduction our earnings and revenue reports. So just to keep you updated, to keep you guys motivated about what is possible if you're not taking this course in July. Awesome guys, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the content of how you can take your earnings to the next level.